When getting ready to do a jump shot, you want to get your cue raised to about a 45-degree angle, and the center of the cue ball is where you're going to be aiming through. It's going to rotate up into the 45 degree so that you'll be looking through the center of the cue ball just up at a 45-degree angle now. And then you want to commit to stroking through the ball straight through to perform a legal jump shot. If you're having trouble getting down, you can lower your head towards the cue ball, and that'll help you get over the cue ball a little easier and get that cue stick up to a 45-degree angle. Here is a good way to practice getting used to jumping your cue ball. Just lay your cue stick down along your table and start up at the tip side, the thinnest side of the shaft, and just start getting used to jumping the cue ball over the shaft and work your way up your cue to get the higher jumps. You can also practice jumping over the cube chalk and work your way up to the ball. Just remember, it's good to get your alignment set before you get down over the cue ball to where you want to jump, and you'll get used to how hard or firm you need to stroke through in order to get more distance. You're not going to bring your cue up as high if you need to jump further. And if you need to get the ball up quick, you're going to need to raise the cue up probably a little higher than the 45-degree angle. And then just commit to the jump, stay down, stroke through,